on the Frunk. Oh, it's actually using gas propane.
Gas, right?
Yeah, the Frunk is just a table.
Okay.
So I made the
this is
table.
Nice. Oh, you made this?
Yeah, I made this.
Is neat.
This is totally my first time using any of these. I'm having so much fun. Salt and pepper. Oh boy. The salmon is a little bit on the salty side, but overall it's pretty tasteful. So the countertop, it's about 30-inch in length, and then I think I have it 24-inch in width. The back are just 2 cylinders. So pretty much what I did is I started with the back cylinder supports, and then I slowly work on this front support to make sure that the table here is level. It's actually, I don't think it's like entirely level. I think it's slightly maybe tilted towards the front, but I can easily just trim down the 2 back supports, just a few millimeters. That should make this pretty straight. The reason that there are 2 holes here is because there are 2 screws, one on each side, right under the holes right there. I think this is where I'm gonna spend my night. Yeah, I have plenty of battery. I think it's at 60%. I'm not turning on the heat, so it's more than enough. Yeah, probably gonna wake up a little bit early tomorrow morning, do a time lapse, and then maybe go for a run. See you guys tomorrow. If you're feeling depressed or like loneliness, which I am from time to time when I'm spending like 95% of the time by myself, you should go move your body, get your blood flowing, because you are inhaling so much oxygen in your body and in your brain. It recharges your soul. I really need to start running every day again. And you know what? I'm gonna do that. I'm going to wake up every morning, put on my running gear, and start moving. It's so crazy, like, it scares me. Because I'm so used to the not running routine. If I don't, I'm gonna hate myself so much. Because I said it. Yeah. I'm gonna do it. The action of getting started is so much more difficult than the process itself. Man. Good morning, human. Love you. Love you guys. Hi. Hi. You're rocking. You're awesome.
Did you swim?
No, I went for a run.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I love it. Look at that, eh?
Yeah, it's very affordable.
Yeah, that's cool.
Enjoy your run.
Hey,
Good morning.
good job. Oh, there's the water.
Yeah, that's the water.
That's amazing.
Thank you.
You're very, I don't know.
Resourceful?
Resourceful. There you go.
Sure, yeah.
Anywhere. Yeah, I can go anywhere.
Enjoy your walk.
You too.
See ya.
Take care.